Welcome back. Now each content block that you add has different elements that you can customize. So you notice that we have created a paragraph block here. And if we click inside of this block, then the elements that we can customize become available. If we were to create another kind of block, and for example, if we were to create an image block instead of a paragraph block, you're going to see different elements that we can customize. For example, you'll notice here that we have a heading block. That heading block has different customization settings. You'll notice here that we have an audio block. If we click inside of that audio block, this audio block only has the advanced or coding customization. So anytime you add a block to your editor or to your layout page, you're going to want to come to this right side menu anytime you click inside of that block, and then you're going to want to customize it according to the way you want the block to appear on your site. Now, the one area you won't see any customization available to you will be if you place your cursor inside of the title area. You'll notice that there is no block selected, there's no customization. What you can do is you can place your cursor inside of the title box. You can click the edit button, and then you have the ability to change the permalink to what you want it to be. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.